Hello student, myself Kinjal Mistry. I am lecturer in Computer Department of VPMP Polytechnic. Welcome to online video session. Today my topic name is Working with Form and chapter name is Introduction to Window Common Controls. In this video lecture we learn the following topic. Now we first discuss to create a new window form application. Then second, step to create window form application. Then third, different type of properties, event and method of object. Then we last discuss property of window forms, method of window forms and last event of window forms. Now first, to create a new window application. In Visual Studio, window application is built around the .NET framework, a rich set of classes that allow programmer can create a window application using any .NET programming language like VB, C#, ASP, etc. And also it gives the facility to debugging. The advantage of using Visual Studio .NET is that it provides the tools that make application development much faster, easier and more reliable. Console application support character user interface CUI. Whenever window application support graphical user interface GUI. A window application generally consists of one or more window form. Now step to create a window form application. This is the image of window form application. Now we open the Visual Studio to show the how to create a new window form application. Now we open the Visual Studio 2010 Ultimate version. This is the home page of Visual Studio. Then we create the first window form application. Now first we go through the file. Then click the file menu. Then we select new project. Okay. Then left side we show the different type of languages. Now first is Visual Basic and then we click the other language to show the different type of languages. First we already select VB.NET Visual Basic language. Then we select the window, first step, window form application. Now click window form application. Then bottom side window form application 1. It is our project name. Then click OK button. Our window form application form is loading. This is the window form. This is the window form. Now this is the window form. Now our window form is created in this application. Then left side we show the toolbox. Toolbox support the different type of tools. Then also we show the server explorer. Then server explorer is used to connect the database in our application. Then right side, this is the solution explorer. Solution explorer is a collection of different type of projects and show the application name. This is window application 1 is our application name and my project is our project name. Then it is a collection of my project is a collection of different window forms. This is the one window form. The form name is form1.language VB. And then left side bottom, right side bottom, this is the property, means property window. It is the property of form 1. It is show the different type of properties like application setting, data binding, then name. Our object name is form 1. then accept button. This is the different type of attribute of our object. Our object is a form 1. This is the different type of characteristics attributes of form 1. Now different type of controller in VB.NET have its different properties. So we easily create this window form in window form application. So this is the image of window form. Now this is the step to create how to window form in Visual Studio. Now we already open the Visual Studio software and then create the window form application. This is the normally general same. We click the Visual Studio, then go to the file, then go new project and click the window form application to create the new our window form application. Now what is the property of an object? Like first, what is the object? Now in VB.NET programming language we use the button, form, label, text box. It is called the different type of project, and each and every object have its property, method and event. Now first we discuss the what is property. A property is an attribute of an object that define one of the characteristics of that object, such as size, color or screen location, or its behavior such as whether it is unable or visible. To change the characteristics of an object, the value of its corresponding property can be changed. Property can be changed from the property window in designing part, and it is also can be changed from code part. Now first, this is the general syntax of property from the code. Now how to change property using code window. So this is the object. First we write object name, then property name equal double quotation we write the value of property. This is the syntax of how to change the property of particular object. Now here object name is used to represent the different type of object, or property name we can change the name of its property. Then we give the value of property to write the double quotation symbol. Like this example, form1 dot text is equal to double quotation we write the login form. Form1 is our object, then text is our property name, then login form is our value of this property. Then from the designing part, we using the property window. We show our open the window application, then right side bottom we already allocate the property window. We already show the property window to show the different type of property of object. Now this is the image of form1. It's different type of properties like text, size, tag, tap mode, maximum size, maximum box, minimum size, minimum box. It is the property of form1. Then next, event of an object. An event is an action recognized by an object, such as clicking the mouse or press the key, and for which user write code or response. An event can occur as a result of an user action or program code. Like example, form1 underscore load. This is the event. Load is our event of object name is form1. This is the show the code window in window form application. Like this second example, button underscore click. Click is our event name and button1 is our object. Then method of an object. A method is an action that an object can perform. Like example, form1 dot center to screen, then me dot close. Here form1 is our object name, then center to screen and close. This is our method. This is our method name. It is the represent the object method of form 1. It is used to me.close means it is close the window form. And then center to screen method. It is used to display the our form center to screen. This is a different type of property of window form like accept button, cancel button, back color, border style, enable, font, maximum size, minimum size, name, start position, text, width, etc. It is the represent of attribute value of window form. Now, method of window form. This is the different type of method of window form like show, focus, close, show dialog, center to screen, activate, etc. Now, this is the different type of event of window form. Window form like event is click, close, load, double click, resize, show, visible change, activated, etc. Thank you.